Hello my dear students, today we can discuss from the solutions chapter an important topic, that is Henry's law. Fine. So Henry's law is an important topic from this chapter, solution. So Henry's law, if you want to study this Henry's law, before that you should know some terms. That is, the first term you should know, that is, what is a saturated solution. Then you should know what is solubility. Okay. Then this Henry's law is connected with solubility of gas in liquid. Okay. Solubility of gas in liquid. Fine. So first, what is meant by saturated solution? That is, with an example we can look. That is, take a glass of water. In that you will add 1 teaspoon sugar. Then you will start dissolving it. It will dissolve and become a sugar solution, right? Then you keep on adding sugar into the solution. Then at a particular point, the solution becomes saturated. That means beyond that point, the sugar will not dissolve. Even after adding sugar into that solution, it will not dissolve. So the point at which it dissolves completely, rather it won't dissolve, that is called saturated point of that solution. So the solution becomes what? Saturated solution. So what is the connection to that, to the solubility? So solubility means, here solute is what? Sugar, right, in our example, and water is our solvent. So solubility you can define as a maximum amount of solute particles that is dissolved in a specified amount of solvent at a given temperature. Fine, that is the definition of solubility. And here Henry's law is connected with what? Solubility of gas in liquid. Gas in liquid, one example, soda in water, right? Like cola, Pepsi we will drink. That is, in that liquid we are dissolving carbon dioxide. By applying high pressure, the carbon dioxide is dissolved in that solvent, right? So Henry's law is connected to this solubility of gas in liquid. So in that you have to study P is directly proportional to chi. This is defines the Henry's law. Chi means what? Chi is the mole fraction of gas. Okay. And P is what? P is the partial pressure. Pressure should be applied, right, in order to dissolve gas in the liquid. So they are directly proportional. P is directly proportional to mole fraction of gas, that is chi. Then what, as normal, what we will do? If we remove the proportionality sign, there will come a constant. It is KH. Chi. Here KH is what? It is known as Henry's constant. Henry's constant. So this defines Henry's law. Hope it is clear. Now we can draw a graph relating to this Henry's law. Fine. So now compare the Henry's law equation to equation of a straight line. That is what? Y equal to mx plus c. Just to compare the variables, just look here, y and x are variables, right? So here, which are the variables? Varying things, p and chi, right? Constant is what here? That is slope. Kh is what? M is slope, right? And c is what? Y-intercept. There is no y-intercept, that is 0, plus 0 you can assume. Okay, so if you plot this in a graph, so in x and y, here comes x, right? X, chi. And y-axis, what? Partial pressure, P. Fine. And since the slope is here positive and the y-intercept is 0, y-intercept means if we draw back that line, whatever line, straight line, where it touches the y-axis, that point is known as y-intercept. Here it is 0. So here the starting point will be here. It will go up since it is positive. Slope is positive, right? Okay, so like this you will get the graph, and assume there are so many solute particles in a gas, that is these are different solute, different gases, let A, B, C, and slope is what here, KH, right? And here KH is high for C, right? Then comes B, then comes A. Then what about the solubility? How much it is soluble? Looking the mole fraction. This much for C, and this much for B, and this much for A. Now just look the solubility relationship. That is, solubility is high for which one? A. But KH, the Henry constant, is low. So what is its relation? If KH is high, that means what? Solubility is low, right? Then if KH is low, that means solubility is high. That is, both are inversely proportional. So hope Henry's law it is clear for you. Using the graph definition, then you should know what is saturated, what is solubility. Fine. Next class we can continue. Till then, bye.